Finally, our description is complete. Yep, now we just have to wait a while and our chemically bonded subject will be released from that door. That door is where our chemical subject lives and sleeps and eats and drinks. She'll be released soon enough. Mwahahaha. How much longer do we have until it's released? About 20 minutes. Perfect. Then we'll take Starlight City to new grounds. With this, we'll rule Starground City. Sir, I don't think that's a good idea. Why don't you think it's a good idea? Aren't you tired of being treated like garbage? No, it's just that. Why are we taking over Starlight City anyway? Because they've mistreated us. I told the mayor we could take the city to way new heights in defense by creating chemically bonded subjects, but he shot me off and said to become evil and take over the world. So, well, then he said no, you shouldn't go behind the back and perform an illegal experiment on chemicals. You're not the boss of me, I'm your boss. Would you like to be in that chamber? Why, no, sir. Then you will be loyal. Pause. Yes. Don't you ever think that we're being mistreated? Sometimes, but at least we're making a nice top secret experiment. Okay, I guess. Is it ready yet? Because I want it now. Okay, let me check. The description is complete. Excellent. Now, let's see our subject. Subject Tinafiny. We're opening the doors now. The door, it's stuck. It's open. It's open, sir. Tinafiny, over here. Whoa, where am I? You're in the chemical labs. Come over here. Okay. Well, Tinafiny, how does it feel? I feel strange and funny, but fine. Well then, welcome to the chemical labs. Didn't you already say that? I know, but still. Now, we want you to break into the mayor's office tomorrow night and kidnap the mayor. But how could I break in there? I don't have no powers. You'll see. You have powers, alright. You will have powers. What's that all about? He's just a little grumpy. Well, what is my purpose in the world? Why am I here? Your purpose is to become a legal chemical weapon and take over the city. What? I don't want to do that in my life. I just don't. How could I? He's making me be a bad person? I just came. That's all I can remember. How old am I? You're 16. Yep. I'm a teenager? How come I haven't had any parents? How come I haven't remember my childhood. Have I ever had a birthday? Today is your birthday. But where did it come from? That's something that we just don't have the answer to. What do you mean you don't have the answer? We just don't. The boss never told us where you were really from. Who brought you here? We don't really know your true birthday. This is just your birthday to us. Well, I think I don't belong here. But Tinafiny, you can't just leave. Yeah, Master will be furious. I don't care. I don't want to become a chemical weapon. What does that even mean? You'll discover soon enough. Well, I'm breaking out tonight. Okay. Okay, everybody. Tinafiny needs her rest. Tinafiny, go in your bed. Okay. Good night, y'all. Good night, Tinafiny. Guys, you can't tell her who she's supposed to be or who she really is. I can't. She'll disagree and break free. Until she realizes the powers we gave her. Well, I gave her. She just can't know the truth. You know, specifics show that truth is best in telling lies. So it's just the truth. She does not need to know the real thing about her. Now, I'm gonna go get some sleep. Make her some chemical breakfast over there in the morning and wake her up at 9. We have training to do in the morning. Okay, yes, sir. Ugh. So tired. I hope Tinafiny's alright. Oh, well, gee, she's chemically bonded. Ugh. Nitty-gritty.